Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Lime. We're back once again with ready to wear festive pieces which you can shop comfortably sitting at home. There are lots of weddings which are around the corner, so today we have some formal, semi-formal and casual pieces which are all pocket friendly, easy on maintenance, beautiful fabrics which have a nice soft feel to them and they drape really well. So let's get started. The first style that we have for today is the style that I'm wearing. It's a Pakistani coordinate in a nice green color. It has resham embroidery on the neck with this sort of thread work. These kind of bell sleeves which also have beautiful thread embroidery on it. It has a inner and a seam with straight fit Pakistani pants which have this sort of embroidery at the bottom. This particular set is available in size L, XL and XXL and is priced at 2795. The next style that we have for today is another Pakistani coordinate in a black color. It has this beautifully embroidered sleeves with embellishments and pearl work. This is all thread work on organza fabric. The whole coordinate is being done up on georgette fabric which has a nice fall to it. The neck of the garment has this sort of embellished neckline with pearl work and thread embroidery. There's a gathered pleated look on the neck and is teamed with this kind of straight fit Pakistani pants with organza detailing and scallops at the bottom. This particular set also comes with a soft organza dupatta with a bold floral motif. This is available in L, XL and XXL and is priced at 3295. The next style that we have for today is an Indo-Western two-piece coordinate. It's an asymmetrical chiffon kurta with beautiful embroidery on the neck. This is all hand embroidered on the collar as well as on the yoke. It comes with this sort of bell sleeves. The bell sleeves also have smart detailing and embroidery. You can see the embroidery up close. This coordinate is teamed with a color block print concept where it's a peach kurta with a maroon kind of a skirt. So it's a two-piece coordinate priced at 3800. Sizes available are large, XL and XXL and can easily be altered to a small and a medium. The next style that we have is a kaftan coordinate available in two color choices. It's a beautiful kaftan with hand embroidered neckline. This has been embroidered. It has mirror work all over with gota patti. This is on bamboo chiffon, which is not a transparent fabric and is an all-weather kind of fabric. It has a nice sheen to it and falls very well like a georgette. It has an inner also to it and is teamed with straight pants in the same kind of fabric. This is available in a rust color as well as a green color. The price for this coordinate is 2795 and sizes that are available are L, XL and XXL. The next style that we have is another Pakistani coordinate available in two colors. On a nice greyish black color with beautiful embroidery. There is thread work, pearl work, sequins and this sort of rose embellishments on it. It has similar kind of embroidery at the bottom also and a nice maroon color with similar kind of embroidery and detailing. This particular set is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants and the pants will also have embroidery at the bottom. This is available in size L, XL, XXL and is priced at 3295. Let me show you the embroidery up close. And it also has this sort of bell sleeves detailing. Price 3295, sizes L, XL and XXL. The next style that we have for today is a two-piece cord set in a sand wash crepe fabric. This is again an all-weather fabric. This has beautiful hand embroidery on the neck with this sort of ruffle and gathered detailing. It is medium length and has a straight fit pants to go with it. This is on a nice pink color and is priced at 3295 The sizes that are available are L, XL and double XL. The same cord set we have in another color also, which is a nice rose pink color. Again on sand wash crepe fabric with this sort of handwork detailing gathered on the neck. It goes all the way to the back and has straight fit pants with it. The next style that we have is a chiffon based Pakistani coordinate. It's a long length kurta with beautiful thread embroidery on the kurta. This sort of pearl detailing all over the sleeve and a nice scallop detailing at the border of the kurta. This has some hangings also in pearl and similar kind of hangings at the neck. The neck of the kurta has this sort of gathered pleated look with beautiful embroidered border on it. This is teamed with straight fit sharara pants, which have this sort of a gathered detailing at the bottom and has a nice chiffon dupatta to go with it. This is available in 3 colors. This is a green. The second color that we have is a nice lavender color. And the third color that we have in this is a soft grey color. All these are 3-piece coordinates. Sizes available are L, XL and double XL and priced at 3595 only. The next style that we have is again a kaftan coordinate available in 2 colors. It's on a Dola silk fabric. It has a nice fabric silk feel to it, but drapes really well. It's not a stiff fabric. This has this sort of hand embroidery, which is zardozi work, knot work and some mirror work on the sleeve as well as on the neck of the kaftan. It has this sort of a gathered detail on the front and is available in 2 colors. One is a rust and one is a turk blue color. Both the coordinates come with an inner, which is a medium length inner and has straight fit Dola silk pants to go with it. The price for this particular set is 3450 and this is available in a free size which can fit anybody from 38 to 44 size, and it can easily be altered also. The next style that we have for today is again a kaftan coordinate available in 2 colors, a deep wine color and a rich mustard color. Both of these have nice thread embroidery with zari work, handwork detailing and this sort of sequence detailing on the neck. It is on a Dola silk fabric. This fabric is really soft, falls like georgette and has a silk-like sheen to it. This is teamed with a straight fit inner, short length inner and straight fit pants to go with it. These sort of straight fit pants. The price for this coordinate is 2995. It's available in a free size which fits anybody from 38 to 44 size. This is also available in this rich mustard color which has beautiful thread work detailing and handwork detailing on the neck. Price, as I mentioned, is 2995. Sizes can fit anybody from 38 to 44. The next style that we have is a beautiful chiffon coordinate. It's a 3-piece set which has a nice high-low pattern to it. It has this sort of a front panel which has been stitched and placed very well. It is beautifully embroidered with kaddana work and pearl work detailing in a contrast color, which stands out on the wine color. The sleeves of the garment also has similar kind of embroidery detailing. It's very fine kaddana with pearl work detailing. This is teamed with a chiffon dupatta. The dupatta also has nice scallop and embroidery which has been done all over along the border of the dupatta and comes with straight fit pants. What's good about this suit, or what makes it stand out, is that the pants also have this sort of a smart embroidered detailing at the bottom. So there's a net that has been placed which gives a sheer look at the bottom of the pants, and there is pearl work and kaddana work detailing that's been done on it. This is available in 2 colors. One is this wine shade And the second color for the same suit is a nice teal color. The price for this particular suit is 3995 only, and it's available in sizes 42, 44, and can easily be altered to a 36, 38 as well. The next style that we have is this Georgette kaftan, which can be worn as a kaftan dress. It has a inner to it which is same length as the kaftan, and this sort of beautiful handwork that's been done on it. There is all dabka embroidery and kardana work which has been done on the neck of the kaftan. The edge of the kaftan has this sort of potli detailing. This particular style is priced at 2995 only. This is a deep wine color, and sizes that are available are 40, 42 and 44. The next style that we have is a three-piece Georgette coordinate. It's beautifully embroidered with pearl work. Pearl is one of our favorite embroidery this season, and has this sort of smart kardana work in silver, which goes very well with the pearl embroidery. The collar of the garment is also embroidered really well. Same kind of pearl has been placed all over the kurta with kardana work. This particular set is teamed with straight fit pants and a chiffon dupatta. The dupatta also has similar kind of pearl with kardana work placed all over, and the pants have beautiful embroidery at the bottom. You can see the embroidery up close. It has a nice sheer effect with pearl work detailing. This particular set is priced at 3995 and is available in size 40, 42 and 44. The next style that we have for today is this Indo-Western style, which is a crop top with this sort of a high and low pattern on one side and handwork that has been done on the other side. The sleeves are also beautifully embroidered. This is on chiffon fabric with thread work, kardana work and metallic pearl work detailing. This is on a powder blue color and is teamed with straight fit palazzo pants, which are on a darker blue. This particular set is priced at 2995 only and is available in size 38, 40, 42. So today we have a lot of kaftan styles which are ready for you with beautiful handwork. So this is another two-piece coordinate, a beautiful kaftan in Georgette fabric with this sort of handwork that has been done on the neck. It has kardana work and thread embroidery. It is teamed with straight fit pants, and the pants also have this sort of embroidery at the bottom. The kaftan is also teamed with an inner, since it's Georgette, so it's a transparent fabric and comes with an inner with it. This particular set is in a teal color and is priced at 3995 and would fit anybody up till the size 44. The next style that we have is this high-low pattern in a nice mustard yellow color with beautiful embroidery that has been done all over the kurta. It's an asymmetrical pattern. The sleeves also has a sheer effect with net with little bit of handwork that has been done on it. You can see the quality of the embroidery up close. This is teamed with straight fit pants. The pants also has similar detailing at the bottom. Beautiful embroidery, all handwork with this sort of a sheer effect to it. This is all kardana that has been done on it and this sort of pearl detailing. This is teamed with straight chiffon dupatta, and the dupatta is also nicely embroidered with small booty placed all over. This particular set is priced at 3995 and is available in size 40, 42 and 44. The last style that we have for today is the chiffon kaftan set with beautiful embroidery which has been placed on one side of the kaftan. This is all kardana work which has been done in the same color, the base color, to give a self feel. with nice golden cut dana in antique shade. It's on a soft flowy chiffon fabric. It comes with an inner and is also teamed with straight fit pants to go with it. This particular set is priced at 4495 and is also available in one more color. This is also available in a royal blue color where the embroidery of the kaftan is placed differently. This is on both the shoulders of the kaftan.
I like that. Really nice one.
Price is the same, 4495 with the crop top and straight fit pants. And it's a nice royal blue color. This size would fit anybody from 38 to 44 with simple alterations.